6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Plymouth to near Washington to near Kingston Regional Jetport, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, New Bern, Kinston, Washington, Avon, Plymouth, River Road, Griffin, Belhaven, Ransomville, Ponzer, Pinetown, Pungo, Blount's Creek, Pamlico Beach, Vanceboro, Askins, Shelmerdine, Caton, and Calico. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Martin and Pitt. This is NOAA Weather Radio.